Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about text spacing and indentation. Right, so we're gonna zoom here a bit to see changes better, and then let's roll with indentation right here. It's like when you create, text for real box on piece of paper. Right, text indent, and I'm gonna say 5 pixels here. Okay, that works. Well, maybe 20 will be better. No. Well, let's use 35 pixels. Well, that's kinda cool. That will get the job done. Right, what about distance between characters? Can we do that with CSS without any kind of programming like with JavaScript? Well, sure, we have letter spacing property. Letter spacing property, and when I say 0 pixels, because I can, no results because that's default. So let's use 5 pixels here. There you go guys, 5 pixels difference between letters. And when I say 50 pixels, 15, sorry, well, you have disgusting situation. Basically, the more pixels you use, the uglier situation. So I'm gonna stick with the 5. Something like that, who cares? Anyway, what about difference between words? Well, sure, we're gonna use new property, word spacing, and I'm gonna say 5 pixels. Refresh, there you go. It's not good, I don't like it, but you have that option CSS. Right. So can you combine these things with text decoration options? Well, sure, let's do that. Like text align, center, let's see what's up. Okay, kinda artistic, something like that. And what about real text decoration property? Text decoration, and I'm gonna say overline. Well, I don't like it. I don't know how you think about these things, but I don't like to mess around with the fonts much more than I need to do. Well, overline, underline, right, and line through. Let's see what's up. There you go. Right. And this is especially useful for some brochures, I think. Right, but I don't like it, honestly. So I'm gonna just stick with the normal solution. Save, refresh, there you go. Well, what about text transformation? Text transformation, uppercase. Okay. Nice. Well, I like that one. And lowercase. Okay, and capitalize. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. You can use text spacing on its own and you will have some kind of results. But don't, overuse it too much, because your page will become unusable. So stick with default if you ask me. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. Nothing special in this tutorial. As always, thank you for watching, and see you next one.